How to unlist a video on YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can unlist a video on your YouTube. So open the YouTube app, and you will have to follow some steps. So please make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, after that you will have to tap right here on the playlist, and after that you can see this is your playlist. Now if you want to delete that playlist or you want to unlist that playlist, you will have to tap right here on the three dots, and after that you can see the delete option. So you will have to tap right here on the delete, and after that you will have to hit the delete button again to save the changes. So you can just simply tap right here on the delete. After that you can see that this playlist will be deleted from your YouTube channel. This is how you can unlist a video on YouTube. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.